Do you feel like your money disappears too fast? Trying to save, but always end up broke before payday? Today, I'll show you 5 simple steps to control your finances. Start by tracking every expense for 1 to 2 weeks. Coffee, transport, snacks, subscriptions, write it all down. Awareness is the first step to control. Use the 50-30-20 rule. 50% for needs, 30% for wants, 20% for savings. You don't need a fancy app, just stick to the plan. Got subscriptions you never use? Cancel them now. These silent money drainers add up fast. Saving isn't what's left over, it's what comes first. You don't need a lot to start. Apps let you invest with just a few dollars. Even $1 a day can grow over time, thanks to compound interest. If this helped you, like and subscribe for more tips on mastering your money.